Hi, my name's Darian. I'm the founder of ZKkeynest. It is a API key management software that's secure, fast, and painless for developers and teams. If you're a developer, you know the pain of API keys scattered in your emails, chat logs, random files. It's risky, it's slow, and it's hard to share securely. ZKkeynest solves this with zero knowledge encryption and instant organized access. I'm going to go ahead and log in so we can go ahead and show you what our dashboard looks like. You have three different options to log in with, just to keep it as painless as possible. We have GitHub, Google, and Slack. Here on the dashboard, when you make an account, you're going to need to set up a unlock password. And once you set up your unlock password, it cannot be changed. We cannot recover it for you by design. And this is the way you decrypt all the keys stored inside our database through your vault. After you're logged in, you have a couple different things you can do. You can add a key, you can view whatever keys you have saved, or if you're sharing a key with someone, you can go ahead and make a link that you can have them use to go ahead and view a key that you need to share. These links are one-time use. So whenever the person views the key, after it's viewed that one time, like I've done here, it won't be usable anymore. So if I reload the page, the key is no longer viewable. This allows you to securely share things with partners or clients without having to give access for more than the time that you're trying to. We use AES GCM encryption. This is the same standards that are used by big banks, Signal, 1Password, and other applications that you know and love. And we wanted to try and use that same style of encryption to make developers' lives a bit easier. I'm going to go ahead and add a key in the way that most people would do, that we're all used to doing, which is having a key stored in a text file like I have here. And then we're going to just go ahead and add that. We're going to give it a label. We're going to call it test. And then we're going to give it a service type, which is just, is it a Google key? Is it a Claude AI key? And there's some other options as well. If you have env files for secrets for your application, you can also drag and drop those into this application as well. And it will decipher those key value pairs and allow you to store them as just one API key as well, allowing you to not have to add each one individually and quickly spin up another machine with those keys to get your application working for another team member, or if you have split development across multiple machines. So I'm going to hit save, and now you can see that we have that new API key stored here, and we can go ahead and delete. And there's a little warning for you to go ahead and delete the keys, and then it will be gone. It's no longer in our database. We cannot recover it for you by design. You have a couple other settings here, like data management. You can check the integrity of whatever keys you have stored in your database. And as we work on this software, we're going to need to upgrade our database, which means you may need to migrate your data to the newest version of our schema. So there is going to be options for that as well. And if you, for whatever reason, need to clear your entire vault, you can go ahead and just hit clear all data, and this will delete everything from our database and basically start you up with a fresh vault with a new master password as well as no keys stored. You also have session settings where you can determine how long you want the session to stay open or closed. And then we have our tiers of plans. So we have a free tier where you can go ahead and use the software for free for up to 10 keys. And you have rotation reminders and one-time sharing links. Great for solo devs or people who only have to share a few keys at a time. And then we have Pro, which is $3 a month, and it's unlimited keys. You get folder organization, export functionality to back up your keys to an encrypted file that you can upload back to the website and use at any time. And then later on, we'll have a Teams feature that will allow you to share a vault with other users and get role-based permissions and activity logs. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the app, go ahead and give it a shot.